Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use InPrivate browsing in Microsoft Edge in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. For this, you have to search for your Microsoft Edge and go for it. Now here you can see three dots. You have to click on this. You can see here New InPrivate window. Please click on it. So this is how you can use InPrivate browsing in Microsoft Edge in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.